After entering the Get3D Mapper software interface for the first time, you need to obtain a license to use the software for modeling. There are two ways to obtain license: the standard license and the trial license. The standard license includes online login license and offline import license. Trial license requires an account. If you don't have an account, you can go to the official website to register first. By default, one account can be bound to one machine for trial license. Get3D Mapper trial license supports unlimited project creation within 30 days, and a single project can import 5,000 images. The standard license needs to be purchased from the official website, and Get3D Mapper supports yearly or monthly payment. Once the purchase is complete, log into your account in the software interface, and the available licenses under your current account will be displayed. Select the available licenses to activate. The activated licenses will show the expiry time. All the functions can be used during the period, and more than 100,000 images can be imported for modeling at one time. The other way of obtaining the standard license applies when the PC is offline. Firstly, export the machine code, and then in the Personal Account Center on the website, enter the machine code to get the license file. Drag the serial code in the license file into the software, and click Activate to complete the binding of machine code and license. Activating the license using either method displays detailed license information.